Good evening. You are watching Face News. I am Anushka Rai with the latest news from the world of fashion. Contemporary fashion took center stage in the national capital as Solo Vogue 2.0. The second edition of the curated single designer fashion showcase concluded successfully at the Imaging Town in New Delhi. Conceptualized by Rajani Subba, Solo Vogue 2.0 continued its distinctive format of celebrating the complete creative vision of a single designer. This edition showcased the design excellence of Ajay Sinha and Bazi, founders of Budze Fashion Studio. Following the strong appreciation received by its inaugural edition held last year at Radisson Blu, Dwarka. Solo Vogue 2.0 further strengthened its position as a concept-driven platform within India's contemporary fashion landscape. This year's showcase featured Budze Fashion Studios collection themed Trendy Trove. The collection stood out for its modern silhouettes, intricate textures, and refined detailing, reflecting the brand's signature craftsmanship and contemporary couture sensibility. A significant highlight of the event was the introduction of Aman Singh Rajput, son of designer Ajay Sinha, representing the next generation of the brand. Aman Singh Rajput now oversees the newly opened Budze Fashion Studio showroom at Shahpur Jat. The launch of this showroom marks an important milestone in the studio's expansion journey, combining youthful leadership within an established creative legacy. The visual storytelling of Solo Vogue 2.0 was captured by We Did Bliss Photography, led by Chavez, who handled both photography and videography for the showcase. The event also received strong media support with Zoom Delhi and Face Group News coming on board as official media partners, amplifying the reach and visibility of the showcase across fashion and lifestyle platforms. With its focused representation, premium styling, and emphasis on narrative-driven fashion, Solo Vogue 2.0 reaffirmed its identity as a unique platform celebrating creativity, craftsmanship, and the evolving voice of Indian fashion.
इस न्यूज के प्रायोजक है सर्वोकॉन, रखे सब कंट्रोल में। एफएमएस इंफ्राटेक रियल एस्टेट का भरोसेमंद साथी, सर्वोस्टेप फॉर स्ट्रॉन्ग टुमारो और अयाज परफ्यूम्स।
ये जो है सोलो वोग, this is 2.0 because last year only we had done the edition of Solo Vogue at Radisson Blu, and this is happening today here, Solo Vogue 2.0. And yes, again, Solo Vogue, the name itself as signifies that this is a solo designer show. Along with the models, they also get to showcase their best, their talent, and not only just the walks, okay, they get to showcase who they are as an individual as well. So we are really focusing on doing it the best possible way. And yes, this time the Buji Fashion Studio, here you can see Mr. Ajay, Buji and Aman here, they have done a fabulous job. And then me being the curator of this Solo Vogue, I am more than excited, thrilled, and the concept of this season is Trendy Trove. A trove, you can understand, it's a treasure, and indeed it's a treasure. I really want to congratulate Mr. Ajay, Ashokji, and Aman. They have done a fabulous job, and let us hear it from them itself. You know what is the concept behind the Trendy Trove collection.
As a designer, you always feel like to do something new, something different, something creative. So that's why what I do. Every time I do this thing, yes, I have to do better than last collection, and my competition is with me only. Every time I feel like if I can do better, why not I should try for that. So this time again we have launched with our new collection that is called Trendy Trove, because Trendy Trove was my last collection. This is the Trendy Trove. Trendy Trove, Rajni already have explained, it's like a treasure. So we have created very fusion outfit, very different outfit, and hope एवरीबडी विल लाइक इट। अभी हमारे पास 8 मॉडल्स भाग ले रहे हैं, 8 मॉडल्स ये कर रहे हैं, जिनके ऊपर हम अलग अलग राउंड्स में अलग अलग गारमेंट दिखा रहे हैं, अलग अलग फ्यूजन दिखा रहे हैं, बिकॉज माई कलेक्शन इज ऑल अबाउट कट्स एंड स्टाइल. इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट द एम्ब्रॉयडरी, इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट द नॉर्मल थिंग्स. Everything we are using, but in an innovative way, in a very different way. We always have tried to present our collection. It should look different and very trendy.
आज का जो शो है हमारा वो बहुत स्पेशल शो रहा है, क्योंकि इससे पहले भी हमने सोलो वॉक किया था, एंड दिस टाइम वी आर अगेन डूइंग इट फॉर सोलो वॉक 2.0. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स फॉर रजनी मैम, एंड थैंक यू सो मच रजनी मैम फॉर योर सपोर्ट. and in this we have showcased really good and very different kind of clothes from our collection, which is Trendy Trove. And we have created too much fusion with the and Indo-Western. So हमने पूरा कवर किया है, हमारे इंडियन भी है उसमें, वेस्टर्न भी है, आपको इंडियन के टच के साथ एक वेस्टर्न लुक भी आएगा. So it's a very good experience to work with Solo. Also, we
As
last time
promised.
we promised that we will be launching our new store, this which is for same label Booze Fashion Studio. So we have recently opened our new store, and which is going quite well. And we are very delightful to work with Raji ma'am and for Solvogue 2.0. हमारे 8 राउंड्स हैं और उसमें फीमेल और मेल दोनों हैं, और हमारे दोनों मेल और फीमेल दोनों आउटफिट्स साथ साथ चल रहे हैं हर राउंड में. और हमारे जो राउंड है उसमें डिफरेंट है, किसी में ट्रेडिशनल है जो हम इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल वियर हम उसमें प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, वेस्टर्न है हमारे पास, वेस्टर्न है, इंडो वेस्टर्न राउंड है जो हम इंडियन को वेस्टर्न टच देके इंडो वेस्टर्न राउंड भी कर रहे हैं, कंप्लीट वेस्टर्न है और कंप्लीट ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन है, तो और एक फ्यूजन है. तो अलग अलग राउंड को अलग अलग तरीके से हम प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, हर राउंड में डिफरेंट ये कलेक्शंस का.
Hello everyone, a very good evening. My name is Jarwin Kongsit, Miss India Exquisite 2022. And today I am here at Solo Vogue 2.0. And I am very happy and honored to be here. And this is my second time to attend this show. And I would like to thank India Exquisite for giving me the opportunity, and Sir Bujre Fashion for creating such an amazing outfit that is not only national people they wear it, but it goes internationally. I would like to congratulate the team, and I would love to be back here next time.
Namaste everyone, my name is Vanya Singh. I'm an actress, model, dancer and a young social activist. और मेरा यहाँ पे experience बहुत ही अच्छा था. This is a collection of celebration of fearless trends and bold statements. So this is an iconic piece.
हाय, मेरा नाम पंकज शर्मा है और आज मैंने बूजे स्टूडियो फैशन के लिए एक शूट किया है, जिनके सर का आउटफिट बहुत ही प्यारा है और आप देख पा रहे हैं कि बहुत ही प्यारा आउटफिट है और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बढ़िया रहा है.
Hello everyone, this is Anand. I am very happy to work with Booje Fashion Studio and Ajay sir and also Booje sir. They have very unique collections, so you must try it. रजनी मैम ने मुझे पहले सोलो वॉक में भी चांस दिया और ये सोलो वॉक 2.0 में भी बढ़िया सा मेरे को मौका दिया, तो इसलिए मैं इनको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा.
मेरा नाम श्रेया उपाध्याय है. I absolutely enjoyed working with Bujre Fashion Studio. The collection is great. It's very unique. It's very different. It makes me feel somewhat very trendy and as well as very traditional. I really love it. Thank you so much to everybody, to the owners of Bujre Fashion Studios and as well as Rajni ma'am.
मेरा नाम पूजा सहगल है और मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. मुझे इनके साथ वर्क करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. इनके कलेक्शंस बहुत अच्छे हैं और मैं काफ़ी हैप्पी हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच.